CureCrete Chemical and CureCrete Distribution. CureCrete specializes in the densification of concrete. In fact, in 1947, CureCrete Chemical Company developed the densification concept. This technology has revolutionized concrete sealing. Instead of simply coating the top of the concrete, which will require repeated applications over a period of years, densification allows for one initial application of a densifier which seals for the life of the concrete. This original technology continues to set our product, the Ashford Formula, apart from other densification materials on the market today.
Densification solves several major problems with concrete, including the problem of porosity. When a cross-section of concrete is magnified and viewed, concrete looks like a sponge. The resulting porosity allows absorption, staining, and deterioration. In the densification process, Ashford Formula densifier is soaked into the concrete where it begins a chemical reaction which internally fills the pores of the concrete. This reaction solidifies the concrete into a solid mass. The result is a concrete surface that is impermeable to absorption, free from dusting of concrete salts through the concrete surface, and significantly enhanced in abrasion resistance for heavy-duty use. An aesthetically pleasing, hard-shell, marble-like finish develops on a properly maintained steel-troweled concrete surface.
For decades, Ashford Formula was the only densifier available. Recently, others have begun manufacturing densification products. The technology and chemical characteristics of these products are inferior. They don't achieve the permanent effectiveness found in concrete treated with the Ashford Formula. This can be understood by examining each technology.
Currently, all densifiers can be classified into three categories based on their chemical composition. These include 1. Simple silicate and water solutions, commonly known as water glass. 2. Silicate and siliconate combinations, which combines inorganic and organic chemistry. And 3. Ashford Formula, which utilizes catalyzed inorganic chemistry. The effectiveness of each type of densifier can be understood when analyzing it and its chemical reaction at a molecular level. A silicate molecule is comprised of a silicon atom surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms. The concrete itself, on the surface and within the wall linings of the pores, has oxygen sites available much like little hairs sticking out of the concrete mass. For effective densification reactions to occur, which will completely fill the concrete pores, the oxygen sites on the silicate molecules must line up specifically with each other within the silicate solution, and they must connect in an ordered fashion to the concrete oxygen sites, forming organized crystals within the concrete. Simple silicate water solutions have 4 oxygen sites. However, in solution they are random in their configuration. Consequently, as the solution penetrates the concrete, the silicate molecules begin connecting randomly to the oxygen sites within the concrete, forming unstructured crystals which do not uniformly or completely fill the concrete pores. After an application of silicate and water, there are still voids within the concrete which allow absorption into the concrete. Traditionally, silicate water solutions are used to dust-proof concrete and are not recognized as an effective concrete sealer. Silicate siliconate solutions are a combination of inorganic and organic materials. This technology combines 2 different molecular structures. The first is an inorganic silicate molecule comprised of a silicon atom surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms. This same configuration is found in simple silicate and water solutions. The second is an organic siliconate molecule comprised of a silicon atom surrounded by 3 oxygen atoms and 1 carbon atom. The carbon atom on the siliconate molecule is organic, and as such cannot connect with an oxygen site in the silicate siliconate solution or within the concrete itself. When applied to concrete, the silicate siliconate solution lacks the ability to form uniformly structured crystals within the concrete pores. The carbon atom on the siliconate molecule comprises 1/4 of the siliconate connecting atoms that tie the molecules together and to the concrete pore walls. The carbon atom cannot connect to the oxygen atoms to form the necessary oxygen bridges or connections. This incomplete reaction, along with the unstructured nature of the inorganic silicate molecules, result in the formation of random two-dimensional sheet crystals, which lack stability and do not adequately fill the pores of the concrete or provide long-term proven performance. The claimed advantage that silicate-siliconate technology gives a quicker seal to the concrete is reasonable considering the organic filming effect, but soon dissipates with use, cleaning, and oxidation, much as any organic film will, allowing the floor to dull out, exposing inadequately sealed pores. The third type of densification is catalyzed inorganic silicate technology, developed by CureCrete Chemical Company and used since 1947 on Ashford Formula treated floors. Unlike silicate and water or inorganic organic technology, catalyzed inorganic silicate technology is effective and permanent. The key to Ashford Formula effectiveness and permanency is its proprietary catalyzing process exclusive to the Ashford Formula. This catalytic reaction structures and aligns the oxygen atoms in the silicate molecules, allowing the Ashford solution to penetrate into the concrete in an organized fashion. The oxygen sites connect uniformly with themselves within the Ashford Formula and with the oxygen sites within the concrete. This process creates three-dimensional tetrahedral crystals, which stack in an organized manner, totally filling the pores of the concrete with permanent, non-deteriorating inorganic crystals, which densify and seal for the life of the concrete. Additionally, only Ashford Formula catalyzed chemistry converts soft non-binding calcium hydroxide, the cause of concrete dusting, into stable calcium hydrate, the binding agent which binds the concrete mass together. Along with Ashford Formula's permanent inorganic technology, CureCrete Distribution also offers exceptional service to the customer. This is a result of CureCrete's unique factory direct sales organization. Instead of selling through supply houses, as many manufacturers do, Ashford Formula is sold on a project-by-project basis, as specified by architects and engineers worldwide, or as called for by owners. This allows the correct amount of material to be shipped to the project in numbered drums, a record of which is kept for warranty purposes. To facilitate proper application, CureCrete has spent years developing a network of technical field representatives. They're available on the job site to instruct applicators that may not be familiar with the Ashford Formula application. These representatives are technically qualified to perform this function, which ensures proper, uniform application. CureCrete also has a network of certified applicators throughout the world that are experienced and trained in the Ashford Formula application. These skilled applicators are available to apply the Ashford Formula, ensuring maximum results. Each certified applicator is required to have the proper equipment and be technically qualified to apply Ashford Formula in an efficient, cost-effective manner. Examples of CureCrete customers currently using Ashford Formula on an ongoing basis are Coca-Cola, Walmart, UPS, Anheuser-Busch, Smuckers, Sam's Club, General Motors, Ford, and Honda, to name a few. As densification has become the method of choice, leading retailers are currently using the densification process on millions of square feet of colored and non-colored concrete. This process provides an aesthetically pleasing, marble-like sheen on the concrete surface, and the advantage of minimal maintenance for the life of the facility. Ashford Formula's permanent sealing, hardening, and dust-proofing, combined with CureCrete's technical field service and a 20-year or lifetime product and labor warranty, provide unique value.
With over 50 years of experience and over 3 billion square feet of concrete treated with the Ashford Formula, CureCrete is qualified and committed to meeting your construction needs.